Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to start one new and the chapter name is Chandrasekhar Azad. It is lesson number 10. So let's begin reading more about Chandrasekhar Azad. He was the most fearless and greatest freedom fighters of India. Today we shall know more about him, about his family, about his village, and everything. So let's try to understand the story. Chandrasekhar Azad, popularly known as Azad, he was very much famous by the name Azad. He was one of the most fierce and greatest freedom fighters of India. We have so many freedom fighters, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, other so many freedom fighters are there, Mahatma Gandhi. Like that, Chandrasekhar Azad was also one of the famous freedom fighters of India. He, son of Pandit Sita Ram Tiwari and Jagrani Devi, was born on 23rd July 1906 in village Bhavra in Jhabua district of Madhya Pradesh. Students, please do underline here. These are important lines. First line here and after that Pandit Sita Ram Tiwari, Jagrani Devi. From here Pandit Sita Ram Tiwari to Madhya Pradesh. In the first paragraph, it is given the introduction of his family members. So, who was his father? His father's name was Pandit Sitaram Tiwari. And who was his mother? His mother's name was Jagrani Devi. So, Chandrasekhar Azad was born on 23rd July 1906 in a village. What was the name of that village? Bhavra. And this village is located in Jhabua district of Madhya Pradesh. So what is the district name of Chandrasekhar Azad? So it is Jhabua district. And it is located in which state? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. He received his early education in Bhavra. For further education, he went to Sanskrit Pathshala at Varanasi. He was a great worshipper of Lord Hanuman. Once he disguised himself as a priest in a Hanuman temple to escape from the clutches of British police. So here when he completed his early education, Chandrasekhar Azad, who went to Sanskrit Pathshala at Varanasi for further studies or further education. He was a great worshipper of Lord Hanuman. He had believed in Lord Hanuman. So most of the time he used to come to Hanuman temple. Once upon a time, what happened? There is a story. So, what happened when he was there in the temple of Hanumanji? He found himself surrounded by police because the British police wanted to arrest him. But he was very much smart. Chandrasekhar Azad just changed his look as a priest in Hanuman temple and he ran away. He just escaped from the clutches of British police. So he was very much smart in this way. He just got rid from the British police and the British police could not arrest Chandrasekhar Azad. Young Chandrasekhar Azad was attracted by non-violence, non-cooperation movement of 1920 and 21 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, Bapu or Rashtrapita. Mahatma Gandhi, he was a great person, because of his contribution we call Mahatma Gandhi as Bapu or the father of the nation. Because his great contribution to the country, we gave him the name Bapu. He started so many movements against British rule. Among them, few were non-violence, non-cooperation, and these movements inspired Chandrasekhar Azad very much. And he joined the movement and was arrested and produced before the magistrate. So when he started participate in various movements and he joined the movement of Gandhiji, he was arrested and he was produced before the magistrate. He gave his name as Azad, his father's name as Swatantrata, that is freedom, and his residence as prison, that is jail. This provoked the magistrate who sentenced him to 15 lashes. From then on, he was known as Azad. There is a story associated with his short name Azad. Why he became very much famous by the name Azad, that we shall understand through this story. So once upon a time, what happened? He was arrested by British police and he was produced before the magistrate. When he was asked about his name, very bravely he said, "My name is Azad, that is free." When he was asked about his father's name, he said, "My father's name is Swatantrata, that is freedom." And when he was asked about his residence, then he just very proudly he said prison. What is the meaning of prison? That is what? Jail. This made angry the magistrate. The magistrate never ever thought that in this way Chandrasekhar Azad will reply. And he became very much angry, and with anger he just ordered to give him some punishment, and he decided the magistrate immediately ordered to punish Chandrasekhar Azad because he replied so rudely. He did not give any answer directly, and that is why he just ordered. What was the order? He ordered to punish him with 15 lashes. What is the meaning of lashes? That is कोड़े. कोड़ा से 15 lashes उसको पिटाई किया जाएगा. He will be bitten by the lashes 15 times. From then on, he was known as Azad, and after that only he became very much popular with the name Azad rather than Chandrasekhar Azad. Azad's patriotism and courage inspired others to join the freedom struggle. Chandrasekhar was the mentor of Bhagat Singh, who was also a great freedom fighter. You know, Azad, he was one of the greatest freedom fighters of India, and because of his devotion, because of his patriotism, because of his love for his country and courage, it gives inspiration to so many other people. So many people inspired from the Azad's patriotism and courage. Other people also started loving our country from heart and soul. And that is why they joined the freedom struggle also. Among those people, there was Bhagat Singh also. So Bhagat Singh was also very much inspired from Chandrasekhar Azad, and that is why Chandrasekhar Azad became mentor of Bhagat Singh. And you know about Bhagat Singh also? He was also a great freedom fighter. So this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. Today you will write here difficult words along with their meaning at first. After that you will listen the story and then we shall continue the next part of this chapter. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.